Welcome to Fast Excel Lessons. I'm Chris Sommerhoff. This video shows how to create a Vlookup formula in Excel. It lets you add to a report data from another area. It's one of Excel's most important formulas. Here's an employee data report. I'll add age data to it from another area using a Vlookup. A common data field in both areas is needed to do the lookup. In this case, employee ID. This field must be on the left in the lookup area. Enter a title for the new report column. Age. Let's start. The formula has 4 parts separated by commas. Select the first formula cell and type $Vlookup, left parenthesis. Select the employee ID cell in that row since we're looking up by employee ID. Press comma. Outline the lookup area range and press the F4 key once to lock in that range. Comma. Enter 2 since age is the second column over in the lookup area. Comma. Enter 0 or false to look up an exact match, then a right parenthesis, and press enter. We've now looked up the age for that employee. Copy the formula down and now all employees have age data. And we're done. Use Vlookup to add data to your reports. In some situations, you need to look up a number that applies to a range. In that case, the exact match Vlookup often gives a not available result. So you need to use the other type of Vlookup called approximate match. Here we have a table where a commission percentage changes depending upon the sales range. I'll enter $25,000 in the sales box and create a Vlookup formula to show its related commission percentage. Looking at the commission table, we want the formula to return 5% since $25,000 in sales is within the $20,000 through just under $40,000 range. If I create a Vlookup formula based upon the exact match type with the 0 or true at the end of the formula, it gives an NA result. But if I create an approximate match Vlookup formula by putting a 1 or false at the end, I get the correct 5% answer. So use the approximate match type of Vlookup for this type of situation. Go to the Fast Excel Lessons YouTube channel and see more free lessons.